Hello students, in this video we will see class 8 maths cube and cube roots chapter 4 exercise 4th B. Before this we have seen 4th A exercise and we have solved all the questions with examples, with the concept. Okay, if you have not seen that video, then link is given in description box. From there you can see exercise 4th A videos. Now let's start. In this first question is your let's find the cube roots. क्यूब रूट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, पहले हम इसको मेथड को जान लेंगे, देन वी कैन सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज वेरी इजी. क्यूब रूट, अगर आपको एक नंबर दिया गया है, सपोज a इज गिवन टू यू एंड इट इज आस्किंग दैट फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ a. आपको जब ये a दिया गया तो क्यूब रूट फाइंड करने के लिए कहा गया, दैट मींस यू हैव टू राइट दिस a लाइक दिस. दिस इज नोन एज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ a. क्यूब रूट ऑफ a. ठीक है, ये आपको ऐसा लिख के नहीं दिया जाता, आपको ये नंबर दिया जाता है, आपको इसे ऐसे लिखना है. दिस थिंग इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ a. दिस इज सिंपली अ नंबर. That means here 64 is written and it is asking you to find out the cube root. That means you have to write this number like this, 64 and here 3. This means cube root. ठीक है. Now how we are solving this? इसको हम ऐसे solve करते हैं by finding out the cube root, by finding out the prime factorization. For example, जैसे a की जगह 64 लिया है, cube root. इस 3 का मतलब ये होता है कि इस अंडर रूट के अंदर जो आपका पेयर बनना चाहिए वो 3 नंबर का पेयर बनना चाहिए. ये क्यूब रूट है, इसके अंदर जो पेयर बनेगा वो 3 नंबर्स का पेयर बनना चाहिए. इससे पहले हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालना सीखा था. इसमें स्क्वायर रूट में क्या करते थे, ये जो स्क्वायर रूट था, यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं लिखा, दैट मींस हियर 2 इज रिटन एंड फॉर दिस स्क्वायर रूट वी नीड अ पेयर ऑफ 2 नंबर्स so that this number can come out of the square. यहाँ पे ये क्यूब रूट है, क्यूब रूट मीन्स 3. हमें एक पेयर ऐसा चाहिए जो 3 नंबर्स का पेयर है. ठीक है. 64 को हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे because for finding out the cube root we have the simple method, that is prime factorization method. Find out for 64, as it is even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again even number divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again 2 8s are 16, again 2 4s are 8, again 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. So what I got here? I got 1 2 3 times 2, again 1 2 3 times 2. So I can write this as under root cube root 64 is equal to cube root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So look here, these 2 I am getting 3 times. 3 times 2 I am getting, that means this 2 will come out of the cube root. अगर ये नंबर 3 टाइम्स लिखना है, इसका मतलब ये जो है क्यूब रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा, तो मैं इसे क्यूब रूट के बाहर लिखूंगी. Again I am getting a pair of 3 numbers. So this number will also come out of the root and here I will write and this root will be cancelled. Now 2 2s are 4. This is the answer. Understood? आपको इसका पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके ऐसे क्यूब रूट के अंदर लिख लेना है. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, 3 नंबर्स का पेयर बनाना है और 3 नंबर्स के पेयर में से एक नंबर बाहर आ जाएगा. 3 नंबर के पेयर में से एक नंबर बाहर आ जाएगा आउट ऑफ द क्यूब रूट. अगर कोई नंबर ऐसा है जिसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा है, सो इट विल बी रिमेन इनसाइड. लेकिन आपके क्वेश्चन में सारे नंबर्स जो है परफेक्ट क्यूब दिए गए हैं, सभी नंबर्स जो है क्यूब रूट के बाहर आ जाएंगे एंड यू विल गेट आंसर इन सिंपल नंबर. ओके, दिस वन वी हैव सॉल्व्ड हियर. अगेन इन द सेम वे यू कैन सॉल्व. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज दैट ओनली. So here we will start with question number 2. This is your question number 1 from here. Okay, now question number 2 here I will solve of this one so that idea will be more clear. It is 3 4 3. It is asking to find out the cube root of this. Cube root of this means I have to write first this number 3 and this thing is known as cube root. Now find out the prime factorization for this. 3, 4, 3. It is odd number, that means it is not divisible by 3. So find out whether it is divisible by, it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 or not. Find out. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. It is not divisible by 3 also. With 5 also it will not go. Let us check by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So that means I can write this as cube root of 7 into 7 into 7. Yes, I am getting a pair of 3 sevens. So 1 7 will come out of the cube root. That 7 is the answer. Now we will solve one more question. Question number 3rd, that is 729. We have to find the cube root of this 729. So simple thing, first of all we will find out the 729 prime factor. Now you see 9 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. We will try it with 3. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how we will write this? First of all we will write 729 and it is saying to find the cube root. We will make the cube root of 729 and again make the cube root. This is cube root and write these numbers 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. This is one pair of 3 number. That means 1 3 will come out. Again I am getting one pair of 3 number. Again 1 3 will come out. 3 into 3 will be 9. So answer is 9. Understood? यहाँ पे आपको 3 नंबर्स के पेयर बनाने हैं और उसमें से 3 नंबर के पेयर में से एक 3 बाहर आ जाएगा. Here from the pair of 3 numbers 1 3 will come out. So here it is left 3 into 3 and it will become 9. Rest of the question you will try by yourself. Question number 4th 1728 cube root. Question number 5th 9261 cube root. Question number 6th 4096 cube root. Question number 7th 8000 cube root and question number 8 3375 cube root. This new question you have to try by yourself. In this video only this one. See you in the next video. Thank you. Hello students, I have given you this question as a homework in the previous video. अगर ये question आपसे solve नहीं हो पाया है, then look here how to solve and where you did the mistake so that you cannot solve this. What you have to do in this question, you have to find the cube roots of this. And the method I told you, which I have explained you in that, you have to do the prime factorization of this. So let's start one by one. Fourth one is 1728. We will find out the first prime factorization of 1728. Find out. See, this is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again, even number divisible by 2. 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Again, divisible by 2. 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again, even number divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 cannot be divisible by 2. I need to select 16, so I will write here 0. So here can be your mistake कि आप यहाँ पे 0 लिखना भूल गए हैं. So check in your copy. 2 8s are 16. Then again even number it will divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again even number divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 40. Now it is even number, so it is not even number, it is odd number. It is divisible by 3 or not. Check. 2 plus 7 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. So I can write this as cube root 1728 is equal to cube root 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2 and 3 times 3. वन पेयर ऑफ 3 2, तो यहाँ से एक 2 बाहर आ जाएगा। अगेन दिस इज वन पेयर ऑफ 3 2, यहाँ से एक 2 बाहर आ जाएगा। अगेन दिस इज वन पेयर ऑफ 3 numbers of 3, so here 3 will come. Now multiply 2 to the 4 3s are 12 is your answer. Okay, now fourth is done. What is fifth one? 9 2 6 1. 9 2 6 1. Find out the cube root for this. 9 2 6 1. It is odd number. So what we will do first? 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 1 18, 18 again 1 plus 8 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 2 is not divisible by 3, so what I will do, I will select 26 and write here 0. So 3 8s are 24, 2 is left, 3 7s are 22. Again 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 8 18, 1 plus 8 9, plus divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now 3 plus 3 9, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. It is not divisible by 3. Check whether it is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So what I can write this as cube root of 9261 is equal to cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so see what will come out here. This is one pair of 3 numbers, 3 will come out. This is one pair of 7 number, this 7 number will come out, and 3 7s are 21 is the answer. Okay, so this one is one question, and this is another question. Question number 4th and 5th. Now 6th is left. What is saying in 6th one? 4096. Find out the cube root of this one. How we will find out? First we will do the prime factorization. Do the prime factorization of 4096. See, it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again even number, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2s are 4s are. Again even number, 2 5s are 10, 1s are 2s are. Again even number, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are. Again even number, 2 1s are, 2s are, 8s are. Again even number, 2 6s are, 4s are. Again even number, 2 3s are, 2s are. Again 2 1s are, 6s are. 2 8s are, 2 4s are. 8000 and 2 7 and 8 3 5. Then again with 2 and again with 2. So what I can write is 4096. 4096 I can write as cube root of 4096 is equal to cube root. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 2 I have to write. So here one pair of 3 2 will come out. यहाँ से एक pair of 2 will come out. यहाँ से फिर से एक pair of 2 will come out. यहाँ से again one pair of 2 will come out. Okay. So here see how it is coming out. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question is question number 7. out for 8000. Find out the prime factorization. 8000 का prime factorization करेंगे. As it is even number, it will go with 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 2 3. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 3. 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3. 2 5s are 10. 1 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are. Then now it is odd, and 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. It is not divisible by 3, means with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. That means I can write as cube root of 8000 is equal to cube root of 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 and 3 times 5. See, this is one pair of 3 number. This 2 will come out. It is again one pair of 3 number. 2 will come out. Again pair of 3 number. 1 5 will come out. 2 the 4 5 the 20. Okay, 20 is the answer. Now next question. Next question is your 3375. 3375. Find out for this. 3375. Find out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 5 18. 1 plus 8. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 is there, 3 7s are 21, and 3 5s are 15. 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 plus 5 6. 3, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. It is not divisible by 3, means with 5. 5 1s are 5, sorry, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then again with 5, 5 5s are 25, again 5 1s are 5. So what I can write this as cube root of 3375 can be written as cube root of 1 2 3 times 3, 1 2 3 times 3, and 3 times 5. So here a pair of 3 number, 3 will come out, a pair of 3 5, 5 will come out, 3 5 15 is your answer. So in this video only this much. I hope you understood that how to solve these questions. Next question we will see in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, click on the like button and do subscribe to the channel so that you can get the next video. Hello students, in this video we will see class 8 maths cubes and cube roots chapter 4 exercise 4b and it's question number 2. If you have not seen previous video of question number 1, the link is given in description box. From there you can see question number 1 video. Now question number 2, find the cube roots of the following. 27/64 इसका आपको cube root find करना है. Cube root find करने के लिए आप पहले इसको cube root के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए. In the form of cube root we are writing like this: 27/64. This cube should be such that it covers the whole number. Your whole number is 27/64. Okay. So you have to find the cube root of 27/64. How you will do? First of all, do the prime factorization of 27 and do the prime factorization of 64. So what we will do? We will do this thing in graph. We will do the prime factorization of 27 in graph. We will do the prime factorization of 64 in graph. Okay, that will be your rough work. Okay, so this 2 plus 7 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Do this one also, even number divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now write down here how by 4 is your answer. Now second question. See what is given second question. It is given 125 upon 216. 125 upon 216. And next one is given as 343 upon 512. 343 upon 512. These two questions you will try by yourself and see whether you understood the concept or not. Okay, this is rough work, so I will rub this rough work. Now next type of question, that is given question number 4. Question number 4 जो है next type है. It is given 64 into 27. 64 into 27. I have to find the cube root of 64 into 27. So I will make the cube root of 64 into 27 first, and then what I will do? I will make again a cube root. And see, I have find the prime factorization of 64. मैंने अभी 64 का prime factorization find किया था. यहाँ से मैं 64 का factorization लिख लेती हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. And so I have just now only find out the prime factorization of 27. That is 3 into 3 into 3. So here I will write 3 into 3 into 3. See, one pair of 2, this 2 will come out. One pair of 2, 2 will come out. One pair of 3, 3 will come out. Okay, this pair should be of 3 numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3 is a 12. This is the answer. One more I will show you. Next one is given 729 and 8000. Fourth, fifth is given 729 into 8000. Okay. So what you will do for this? First of all, find the prime factorization for both, and then write down. Find out for both. 729. It is odd number. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So here this is for 729. Find out for 8000 also. 2 4s are 8 equals 0. 2 2s are 4 equals 0. 2 1s are 2 equals 0. 2 5s are 10 double 0. 2 2s are 4 5s are 0. 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are, now you cannot go with 2, you go with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 5. So here I can write this as cube root of 729 into 8000 will be equal to cube root of 729. How much I am getting? Here it is not 2, here it is 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times 3. So here I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3. And here how many times I am getting 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times I am getting 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 times 5. 1 2. This is here only continuously ना, आप अपनी कॉपी में वही लिखेंगे. Then see, this is one pair of 3 numbers. We will come out. यहाँ पे फिर एक pair of 3 number है. This 3 will come out. Again one pair of 3 numbers. 2 will come out. Again one pair of 3 numbers. 2 will come out. And here again one pair of 3 numbers. 5 will come out. Now do the multiplication. You can do the multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 into 10 will be 180 is the answer. And one more question. Question number 6. It is given 3375 into 512 into 512. This question is homework. You will try to solve this question by yourself. In this video only this much. See you in the next video. Thank you. Hello students. In this video we will see Class 8 Maths Cube and Cube Roots Chapter 4 Exercise 4B question number 3rd. Question number 1 and 2 we have done in previous video. If you have not seen, you can see the link from the description box. Now find the cube and cube roots of -216. minus 216 का क्यूब रूट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट इट डाउन. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 216 minus 216. Simply we will find out first of all prime factorization of 216. हम 216 का पहले prime factorization कर लेंगे. This is even number divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 1 is not divisible, so 0 we will write. Then we will select 16. 2 8 is 16. यहाँ पे बच्चे हमेशा मिस्टेक करते हैं. यहाँ पे 0 नहीं लिखते हैं, डायरेक्ट 8 लिख देते हैं, जिससे क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता है. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन आपको क्लास 5 से सिखाया जा रहा है, इसलिए ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन बहुत अच्छे से आता होगा. सो दिस इज लाइक अ रफ वर्क. सो हियर व्हाट आई कैन राइट? I can write as minus sign I will put outside. And I will write these numbers inside the bracket. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So whenever there is a cube negative inside the cube root, then negative is also coming out with the number. ठीक है. हम यहाँ से माइनस बाहर निकाल देंगे क्यूब से. Here 2 1 3 number pair of 2 is there, so 2 will come out. यहाँ पे एक और 3 numbers का pair है 3 will also come out. So here it will be minus 2 3s are 6. Always remember that if it is written like this, cube root of a negative number, so answer will also be in negative. Answer will also be in negative. Remember this. Okay. Now next question. Question is given, question number 2, that is minus 512. This question you will try by yourself. Third question is given, minus 1331. These two questions you have to try by yourself. Okay. Now question number 4. What is saying in fourth one? What is written in fourth? It is written minus 27 upon 125. Find the cube root of minus 127 minus 27 upon 125. How you will find out? First of all, you will write the cube root and here 27 upon 125. Do the prime factorization of 27 and 125. What you will get? Here minus sign also is there. What you will get? Minus sign I will put out of the bracket and write the numbers inside. 27 you can write as 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 and 21 25 you can write 5 5s are 25 into 5 125. Close the bracket. This is cube root means 3 is compulsory to write here another root. So here this is a pair of 3 numbers. 3 will come out. This is a pair of 3 numbers. 5 will come out. And as this is a negative, so negative will also come out. So answer will be minus 3 by 5. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is minus 64 upon 343. This is your homework. Question number 6 is minus 512 upon 343. This is also your homework. Now question number 7 we will solve. It is minus 2197. Minus 2197. So simply do the prime factorization of 2197. 2197. See, it is odd number, means it is not divisible by 2. So check whether it is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 3, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 7 19, and 1 plus 9 10. It is not divisible by 3. So see whether it is divisible by 2197. 2 plus 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 7 19. Is not divisible by 3. Check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, and 27 is copying. It is not divisible by 7 also. And we have to check that from which number it is divisible. Okay, it is not divisible by 7, so check with 9. It is the digit sum is not coming 9, so it is not also not divisible by 9. Then with 11 also it is divisible or not. Check. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 7 is 8. From 11 also it is not divisible. Then check with 13. 2197. 13 1s are 13. 11 minus 3 will be 11 minus 3 will be 8. And here 0, 9, then 13, 2s are 26, 3s are 39, 4s are okay, 169 times it is going. Okay, 13 1s are 13, then 13 6s are 78, and then 13 9s are 170. Then it is cancelling out. So we can divide it by 13, and what is the coming in answer? 169. Again do it, divide by 3, 13 only. 31s are 13, and 33s are 39, and again with 13, 31s are 3. 31s are 13. So what? In place of this I can write as cube root of minus 2197 is equal to cube root of negative 30 into 30 into 30. Okay, so minus 30 will come out, and this is the answer. Okay, either if you don't want to write like this, you can also write like this: minus 30 minus 30 minus 30. Then also 130, 1 minus 13 will come out. Okay, now question number 8. What is written in question number 8? Minus 5832, minus 5832, and question number 9. Minus 274400, minus 274400. These questions you will try by yourself. If concept is clear, you can easily solve. And remember one thing, that the cube of a negative number, the answer is also a negative number. Only this thing you have to apply. In this video only this one. See you in the next video. Hello students, in this we will see maths of class 8, cube and cube roots chapter 4. Exercise 4B is question number 4. Till now if you have not seen up to question number 3, the link is given in description box. From there you can see up to question number 3. Now question number 4, find the cube root of this number 2.744. There is no hardness if there is a decimal. So what you do, दो तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं, या तो आप डेसिमल के साथ कैलकुलेशन करो, या फिर आप डेसिमल को हटा के कैलकुलेशन करो. So for me the best method is to remove the decimal and then do the calculation, because that is more easy. Because sometimes this decimal create confusion for you that where to put the decimal, and there only you are doing the mistake. So better to remove this decimal first can do the calculation. So I can also write this number like this 2744, and when I remove this decimal I will write 1230 downside with 1. ऐसा हम पहले क्लासेस में पढ़ चुके हैं कि जब हम यहाँ से डेसिमल रिमूव करते हैं that many zeros we are putting at the denominator with 1. So here this is now your number is 2744 upon 1000. You have to find out the cube root of this number 2744 upon 1000. And one more simple thing in this you can do is that you need not to find out the prime factorization of this 1000. इसका सिंपल प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ये होता है जितनी जीरो है उतने बार 10 मल्टीप्लाई करना, लाइक 10 into 10 सिंपली 1000 हम कैसे ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं by multiplying 10 into 10 into 10. So no need to do the prime factorization for 100, for 1000, for 1 lakh, for 10 lakh. No need to do the prime factorization. Simply write the 10. जितनी जीरो है उतने टाइम्स 10 लिख लो, सिंपल. Now here 3 do the prime factorization of 2744. 3 it is even, it will go with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are. Again it will go with 2, 2 6s are 12, then 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, again 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 1 15. It will go with 3. One second. And the 2 root, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, ठीक है. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, again 2 6 are 12 will come. Then again even number, again with 2 it will go, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, again now it is odd number. See whether it is going with 3 or not. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, it will not go with 3. See whether it is going by 7. 7 7s are, sorry 7 4s are, and 9s are, and 7 7s are, and 7. That means I can write here as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. And you see here is a pair of 3 2. You will come out is a pair of 7. 7 will come out. Here is one pair of 10. 10 will come out of the cube root. 2 times are 14 upon 10. Now again do the same process. Remove this 0 and put the decimal. See 1 0 means after one number there will be decimal. So it will be 1.4. Your answer is 1.4. When this kind of question do like this only so that there will not be any confusion. Okay, 1.4 is the answer. Now note down this one. Now next question is second one 9.261. Question number 2. You have to solve 9.261. Try to solve this one by yourself. And then third one. It is written 0.12347. This one you can easily find out while removing the decimal. Now question number 4. What is saying in question number 4? Minus 5 minus 0.512. 0.512. See what you have to do in this. Negative sign, no need to worry by seeing the negative sign, no need to worry by seeing the decimal sign. Simply remove this decimal. Downside there will be 1000. So the number you can write as 512 upon 123. Okay, now you have to find the cube root of this number minus 512 upon 1000. Now in this also there is simple thing that for this 1000 you can write 10 into 10 into 10 and only you have to find for 512. Do the prime factorization for this. Even number means it will go with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again even number, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 3 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. See how many 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here one pair of 2 will come out. Again one pair of 2 will come out. Again from here 2 will come out. Downside also one pair of 10 is there, 10 will come out, and here negative number is there. Either you write negative with one pair or you write negative out of the bracket, your choice. So here one negative will also come out. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, minus 8 upon 10. When the 0 will go upside, it will be 0.08 with a negative sign. This is the answer. Now after fourth, question number 5th, minus 15.625. You will solve by yourself. And question number 6 is also easy. Minus 125 into 1000. This also you will solve by yourself. Then your question number 4 will be over. In this video only this much. See you in the next video. Hello students. In this video we will see class 8 maths, cube and cube roots, chapter 4 exercise 4.3, question number 5 up to question number 4 we have solved in previous video. The link is given in description box. From there you can see that video. Now question number 5 is saying the find the smallest number by which 26244 is divided so that it becomes a perfect cube. So as we are doing in the previous, first of all we will find the prime factorization of 26244. 26244. First of all find out the prime factorization. Yes, digit is this only. Then this is even number divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2s are. Again divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, and 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18. It is divisible by 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 6. So here these many numbers are there. You can see this one is giving 3 1 pair. This one is also giving 3 pair. But here this 3 is not in pair and these 2 are also not in pair. So it is saying find the smallest number by which 26244 must be divided. So yeah, ये 2 का pair और ये 3 का pair अगर हम हटा दें, then the number will become perfect decimal. So what will be that number? That number will be 2 into 2, this extra number, and this 3 into 3, this extra number. As it is same for divide, so this many number. So 2 is a 4, 4 9s are 36 is the answer. So you will write your answer in statement. Similarly, this question also, first of all, find out the prime factorization for 3 0, 3 7, 5. How you will find out for this? 3 3 plus 9, 10 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 0, 1 2 5, 3 3s are, then 1, then 3 3s are, then 2, 3 7s then 5, then 3, 6, 13, 5, 18, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 3, 3, 9, 3, 7, 21, 3, 5, 15, 3, 7, 10, 5, 15, yes, 3, 3, 1, 2, 5, then 3, 4, oh, then it will not go with 3, now it will go with 5, 5, 2, 10, 5, 5, 15, then 5, 5, 25, then 5, 1, 5. Now see which one pair is not complete, this one pair is complete, this one pair is complete. Here 1 3 is missing. Only 1 3 is missing. So what is that number? 3 is that number which when multiply 2, 3, 0, 3, 7, 5 gives the perfect cube. And the representation you can do like this: 3075. You wish to find the cube. So the cube root you can write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. And here you can see this one pair is complete, this one pair is complete, but this one pair is incomplete. Only 1 3 we need to make this number as a perfect cube. So your answer is 3 and your answer is 36. In this video only this much. See you in the next video.